Welcome to Forno Appliance technical support video for models 6275 and 6282. For safety reasons, please make sure to close your gas line and disconnect your power supply. In this video, we will demonstrate how to change the control panel holder. Start by removing all the knobs. Once all the knobs have been removed, then remove all screws holding the knob rings. Open oven door. Located under the control panel are 3 screws you need to remove. Once screws have been removed, slide down the control panel. Located inside the holder, there are another 7 screws to be removed, 3 at each end and 1 in the middle. Remove all 3 cast iron grates to have access to 2 remaining screws located behind the holder. Gently slide the control panel holder through the control panel.